Hello everybody, this is my Signal model number 12-2100 box fan. It was made in 1955 and is a 12-inch model that is packed with features commonly seen on larger, high-end 20-inch models of this era, such as the Breez-Diffuser grille. This fan is electrically reversible and has a thermostat, which Signal called the thermostatic brain. Signal called this the comfort control panel. We'll now give a demonstration of the thermostat. As we turn the thermostat dial down, the fan will shut off. There it goes. The purpose of the thermostat is to have the fan automatically turn off as temperatures fall overnight. Note that the markings on the thermostat dial do not represent actual temperature. They're more of a reference point. As far as I can find, Signal was the only manufacturer to offer features like this on a smaller size fan. This fan is in great shape, with no rust at all. It did need to be cleaned up when I got it, and the motor needed fiber washers. I also had to go through the switch to clean and lubricate that. Everything else, such as the wiring and paint, are all original and in great shape. We're now going to give a demonstration of this fan running, and we'll go through the speeds. We'll start off on high speed. And now too low. We'll now hit the reverse switch and turn the fan around. And back to high. and off to show coasting. We'll now get in close to the motor to hear the startup sounds. The motor is a shaded pull type with 2 speeds in each direction. Signal referred to their motors as the stout heart of every Signal fan. We'll do startup off of high. And start up on low. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.